In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can protect yourself from being added to all these fraudulent groups on Telegram. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijapari Gang, the mom on point, and I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So this channel is all about entrepreneurship, online business, and converting your knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you want to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our video. So today I woke up and I'm very upset. I'm very angry, and the reason is because people keep adding me to Telegram group and I will just exit. But lately it become too much, especially when I share my my WhatsApp number on social media. And the most painful part of it is that two of my contacts also were added to a particular group on Telegram, and they end up frauding them. They defraud them because when they saw me that I'm also in the group, they now said, this is the real thing. Since Ijapari Gang is inside, I'm sure it's something I should also invest on, without even reaching out to me. And unfortunately for them, that day I didn't even go on Telegram. So that is why I decided that let me find a way, let me do my research and see how I can actually protect myself from being added to all these groups, for crying out loud. And I found a way, and I decided to share with you because I know that this can be helpful. So I will be sharing my screen with you here. So I hope you are able to view my screen. I'll be sharing with you step by step on how you can do that. So right now I'm using iPhone, but watch till the end. After I finish demonstrating it using iPhone, I will also show you how you can use Android to do that. So here on my screen, this is my Telegram. So I will click on Telegram. Alright, if you want to click on Telegram here, I will click on settings. By the time I click on settings, actually there are a lot of things you can do on Telegram. So here I'm going to click on privacy and security. So if I click on privacy and security, you can actually do a lot of things. You can do your two-step verification, meaning anybody know if your phone is stolen, they can actually lock them out, so that it's only when you put your two-step verification that you have access to it. So here, even this last thing on Telegram, you can actually put it that nobody should see, or you can add it that is your contact or even everybody. So I put nobody, because some people can be so pained, like I see you online as if the only thing you do is to answer questions. So I know how that feels. And even voice call here, so I put it that it's only my contact that can give me voice call, because a lot of people can be so frustrated. It can be frustrating, especially if you are in the thought leadership online, especially online thing. So here, but the main gist today is how to protect yourself from being added to all these fraudulent group on Telegram. So here I will click on groups and channel. So group and channel here, mostly if you check your own now, it will be everybody. Like who can add me? As you can see here is everybody. So my own, I put my contact. So it's only those that have my contact that can add me on any group on Telegram. So if you are not in my contact list, there's no way you can add me to any group on Telegram. So it's very important. So you can do that, and that is why, and voila, nobody can add you to all these fraudulent group on Telegram. So if you are using an Android phone, I also use an Android phone, so I screenshot it. Let me show you how that can be done. So here, this is on Telegram. You are going to click on these three lines here. By the time you click on it, it will bring you to this page where you are going to click on settings here. If you click on settings, the next step is going to take you to privacy and security. And when you click on privacy and security, you can also open the two-way factor, and it will take you to where you can also click on is only your contact that can add you to Telegram or any group. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our videos on entrepreneurship, online business, self-publishing, editing, graphic design, how to make liquid soap detergents, face masks, shampoo, conditioner, Dettol, perfume, and much more. So as you can see, I'm trying to rush this video because I am really I'm really in hurt. I want to go and see my mom, as I've shared with my tribe, my group on Facebook. My mom has not been feeling fine, so I've been like going up and down to take care of her. So you can leave in the comment section, just leave a prayer for my mom so that she can get better. Yes, it means a lot to me. It means so much to me for her to get better. So please, thank you so much for all your prayers. Thank you for your concern. Thank you for reaching out. Thank you for all your questions. If you have any questions or you have something you want me to talk about, you can drop it in the comment section of this video. And again, I have been doing a lot of videos on POS. So as I am doing this, my girl also is not feeling fine. So I need someone that will feel in that space. So that's why you see I am really looking stressed, but I have to drop this because I know that someone out there needs this right now. And humanity first, right? So thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.